Okay, go. Peekaboo! Hi, William.
Hi, Mama.
What you got there? Do you have the Trackmaster? Come on, tell me what you got there. Trackmaster Railway Race Set from the Great Race.
Yeah.
And it has Streamlined Thomas.
And Streamlined Percy.
Wow, this looks exciting.
Yeah, let's open it.
Okay, hold on. So we got Percy and Thomas. Motorized.
Why motorized?
Okay, let's see. Wow.
Get this.
Oh, let me see. Okay, so this side shows us all the different parts that we're gonna need.
On the other side?
This side shows us how much fun we're gonna have racing. Woo! Are you excited?
And on the other side.
Are you so excited?
Just this side.
Oh, wow, this shows the racetrack. Who do you think's gonna win?
I think Thomas win.
Because Thomas is
Streamlined.
Streamlined Thomas. All right, let's get ready to open this box. Ready? Wow. Here, hold on. Get this cable off here.
Yes.
Okay. Instructions. Okay, so this is our road map. These are instructions. We're going to have to follow these to build our track.
I'm going to open these.
All right, Liam. So we finally got the set up. We finally got batteries in. Are you ready for a race? A great race?
Yes.
All right, start your engines. And
Go.
oh no! Poor Percy. They were too fast. He got knocked off on the bridge. Thomas is gonna win this one because poor Percy got derailed. And Percy's finally coming around the bend. Come on, Percy. There he goes. Start your engines, Liam. Ready?
Ready, set, go.
There they go. Uh-oh, we didn't change the points. All right, we're having some trouble with these races. Let's try this again. Ready, set, go. And off they go. I think this might be finally a proper race. Oh yeah, Thomas takes that far track. Percy takes the lower track. It looks like Percy's gonna win. Oh, Percy won! Thomas came in second. So this is the great racetrack. This is the finish line. A flag pops up when an engine wins. Show us how the flag pops up. Pop one up. Push it. Woo! And then the engine split off on different tracks. This is the bridge.
And so it's a crack.
Yeah, there's a crack. The bridge splits. And now we've got an audience. Oh, Thomas has fallen over. Now we have an audience. Thomas, Ashima, Racing Vinny, and Frida are here to watch the races. Now, the complicated part we have to remember is the points change. So we have to make sure the points are in the right way. So one engine goes on the bottom track and one engine goes on the top track. Otherwise, there's a crash, as you've seen.
This is the outside and this is the inside.
Yeah, the outside track and the inside track. So we got to be very careful that the points are the right way to make sure that the engines don't. So this is Streamlined Thomas. As you can see, he's got quite the look on his face. He looks fast. He is made to go very fast. And then we've got Percy here. Racing Percy with some racing stripes. He looks pretty ambitious. Ready? I'm going to start Thomas this time. Start Percy. Alright, ready? Go! Oh, you had Thomas derail a bit. Oh. Oh, wow, that was a close call. But Thomas is behind and Percy wins! So my 3-year-old Liam informed me that I built the track wrong. I had this little piece right here on that side, which was why the train was delayed why it was delayed in opening the bridge. Because if you press this, the bridge opens. But when it was on the other side, you had to wait for the train to go all the way across. So now we have it in the right place. We're going to try a race. So I'm going to turn on Percy. You got Thomas. All right, ready?
Ready, set, go.
We got it! Who's gonna win? Oh, it looks like Thomas is in the lead. Oh, wow. Oh, Percy won! That was so close. Look at him shaking. These are our racers today. Racing Percy, Racing Thomas, Old Trackmaster Thomas, and Streamlined Thomas. On the track, Railway Race Set. Liam, what are we doing today?
Racing.
Who are we racing? Thomas and Thomas, that's right. We have old Trackmaster Thomas and new Thomas from the Great Race. This is Racing Thomas and old Thomas. Are you ready? Ready? Start your engines. Oh, ready, set, go. Oh, look at that. Racing Thomas taking off in the lead. Oh, up and over. Old Thomas is taking his time. Oh, Thomas, Racing Thomas got stuck. Can you help him up there on that hill? Something's going on over there. That gives old Thomas a possible chance. But no, Racing Thomas made it, and he is the winner. Old Thomas had some trouble with that hill, but he's making it over. Here he comes. Oh, in for the second place. Alright, this time around we are going to try Streamlined Thomas versus Racing Thomas. Here we go. Start your engines, Liam. Liam, start your engine. Engine. Okay. Got engines going, okay? Ready, set, go. Oh, Racing Thomas is in the lead. Oh, they made it. Here they go. Oh, this is a close tie. Thomas and Thomas. Who's going to come in first place? Oh, and Racing Thomas won. And you had put little wooden Thomas on top of that, and it knocked him off. And look at that. Racing Thomas is celebrating by jumping up and down on the tracks. Calm down, Thomas. Alright, so we're going to do the winner against another engine. And since Racing Thomas was the winner, we're going to do Racing Thomas against Racing Percy. Start your engines. Got it? Okay. Ready? Set. Hey! Alright, Percy's in the lead. Here they go. One over, one below. Oh, Percy is fast. Percy's gonna win this one, it looks like. Woo! Percy! They made it! Pardon? Now we're gonna try Emily on the Great Race Track. Alright, so this one here with the bridge. But, again, Emily is the only tender engine we've done on this track. Do you think Emily's tender is going to make her faster or slower than Percy?
Faster than Percy.
Faster than Percy?
I think Emily's going to win.
You think so?
Yeah.
Okay, so she is racing Percy here. Hold on, where is she? Where are they? Oh, there they are. Okay, so Emily's racing Percy. Why don't we turn the
dark green on and I'm going light green on.
Okay, you want me to turn light green on? Hold on. Okay, ready?
Ready, set, go. Who's going to win?
Oh, wow.
Uh-oh.
They're good. We changed the points. Oh, this is a close race. Oh no, the tender derailed. Emily and Percy won. Wow, she is not happy with that loss. So Liam, it looks like the tender made Emily lose because it derailed her on that turn, hey, coming down the bridge.
I made her do it.
Should we try her on a different track and see how she does? Okay, so we're going to try one more time and with the tender, and Emily's going to be on the opposite side, and we're going to see if it makes a difference. Right, mister? Okay, I will turn on Percy. You turn on Emily.
Racing. Ready, steady, go.
Oh, so far so good. No, they're good. You get frightened that they're going to crash, huh? Oh, she made it on this track. Oh, Emily was the winner of this race. Fantastic. So this time it is Emily versus Streamlined Thomas. Who are you going to turn on? Emily, do you want to go sit on that side?
After I win, I'm going to turn on blue.
Who do you think is going to win?
Emily.
All right. So, start your engines. Come on, start your engine.
Here we go.
Okay.
Ready? Racing, go.
Oh, Emily is fast. Look at her. It must be those brand new batteries. Whoa, Thomas, Streamlined Thomas, I think is needing some new batteries. Whoa, what happened there? She's the winner. Poor Thomas. Okay, Streamlined Thomas got some new batteries, so we're going to see if that improves his speed. Start your engines. Ready?
Steady, go.
Oh, yeah, Mr. Thomas is going a lot faster this time. There they go. Oh, I think we have a winner. Who's up top there? Thomas won! And Vinny fell off. What was Vinny doing on top there? Liam, explain to me what Vinny was doing on top there.
He wanted to be knocked over.
He wanted to be knocked over. Oh, you are a trickster guy. Alright, so now we are going to try Emily and Racing Thomas. And Liam is booby trapping our finish line by putting a train on top so it falls down on the trains as they go through. You silly guy. Alright, start your engines.
Ready, steady, go!
Oh, Emily's going really fast on this one. Hey, William.
Yeah.
Oh, you are a trickster guy. And Emily did win. And how did they end up on the same track? What happened here? Is it, because you made her go on the bridge. Oh, William, you are a trickster. Alright, let's give this a go. Start your engines. Ready? Hey, I didn't say go, trickster guy.
I know. Look what I did.
Yeah. Oh, Emily is far ahead of Racing Thomas. She is the winner. Thomas came in second. Winner, chicken dinner. Alright. Start your engines. Oh, Emily's ahead. Uh-oh.
What?
Here she goes. Oh, she made it. Oh, Thomas got stuck. And Emily derailed. Oh, we have an afternoon full of accidents. The search and rescue team is going to be very busy today.